I am Shivani here from Stockera AMI Softwares. So today I'll show you jackpot calls we provide today. Today is 12th of August, so we have given Grasim. We have given Grasim buy signal C. As you can see, target stop loss was given. So Grasim hit its first target, that was 22 points profit. So everyday calls like this in our jackpot trade group you will get. Okay. Yesterday also we provide, that is on 11th of August, oil. Okay. That was given at 9:20 and it cleared all the three targets. See, all the three targets were cleared by the call. Now everyday trades like this you will get in our jackpot call group. So jackpot call.
Hello, attention please. Market going
okay?
up.
All the packages when you subscribe the software.
Hello, attention please. Market going up.
Now, these are the 4 plans that we offer. So our premium plan is platinum, that comes with all the
Hello,
now,
attention please.
The add-on
Hello,
benefit that you are getting nowadays
attention
by
please.
joining our plan
Market
is the
going
AI mobile
down.
app access. That is 6 months free in the ultimate package, whereas it is 1 year free in platinum package. In AI mobile app, you get all the features, all the calls and stocks, commodity and many segments. And that is very helpful. You get an alert in your phone and you can activate it. So just join the software now. Join our software today. For live demo, contact on the number given above. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel to see latest videos and performance of the software. So every day we offer jackpot trades and mobile application is also there, that is AI based. It is basically a buy and sell signal software that comes with target and stop loss. Today I will show you the calls given by our software in options, Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Okay. So as you know, the option market is mostly volatile. So for option market we provide different strategy. So first I'll show you today. See, Bank Nifty generated a buy signal today. The signal was generated at 2:30 around 2:30. This call was generated in Bank Nifty. So it gives you a proper breakout. Once you got the breakout, you can take the entry. But what I'll do, I'll go with the option and always trade in the nearby strike price, call or put. So as I can see, there's a buy call in Bank Nifty, so I will go with a call option buying. So in the call option buying, see, I go with the nearby strike price of 58,300 call option. I got a buy signal over. Now this is our money flow super trend graph that is specially designed for option traders. As the option market is mostly volatile, this graph will help you to understand the market and to understand whether a call is active or inactive, whether a market is volatile or you can go for it. Okay. So see, today this buy signal was given at 3:32 that hit target 1 and target 2. Okay. So here entry, target 1, target 2, target 3 all will be given. Okay. You can see the live profit when the market closed, it was around 57 points, but the high of the call was 422. So it went quite well. As you can see here in the dashboard, it will come written whether the call is active. See, the trend is bullish and the strength of the call also, so that you can easily go for it. So like this, every day you're gonna get good trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So join us today only. Okay. So to get the live demo of the software, join us today now. Thank you.